Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by prepping materials so nothing slows you down. Put on gloves and measure silicone components exactly per kit instructions. Accuracy matters because ratios determine cure strength. Once mixed, degas by gently tapping the cup to release bubbles so the surface stays smooth. Make sure to position the original AirPod case in a shallow tray and support it so the silicone will cover evenly. You're now ready to pour. Move deliberately, but don't rush the mixing step. You'll pour slowly to control bubbles and coverage. Pour along a spoon or spatula to stream the silicone evenly and avoid splashes. Once poured, inspect edges and add a thin bead where the cover needs thickness. This reinforces high-wear areas like the lid hinge. Make sure to let the silicone cure undisturbed. Moving it will deform the mold. After the recommended time, gently peel the silicone away from the original case, checking that the hinge and charging port alignment transferred. You finish by carefully trimming the excess silicone flash using a sharp hobby knife, then sand the rim for a clean edge. This ensures the cover snaps on without snagging. Once done, test fit the AirPod shell and verify the charging port, hinge, and LED are accessible. Mark and cut any necessary openings. If fit feels too snug, briefly warm the silicone to ease it on. If too loose, apply a thin silicone liner inside to firm up the grip. Troubleshoot by checking alignment first, then trimming incrementally.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.